Okay, so I'm James Tumber, Specialist Services Director for JD Cooling. My background, I've been in the fruit industry for the last sort of 30 years since I started work, and I've been working in the ripening industry, specialising in that probably for the last 18 to 20 years. And I've been very fortunate within JD Cooling to be leading this project and leading the whole system forward. And there are huge benefits of the system, which is reduced waste, reduced secondary handling, improved yields out of your ripening rooms. They're just some of the key benefits from it. With the Softripe rooms, you can use the one room for all products. So you can be ripening avocados this week. You can then use the same room for bananas. You can then use the same room for mangoes. It's a one room fits all products. Which again is totally unique to the system. Because of this batch ripening that comes into it now with avocados, the rooms are narrower, so we can get more rooms in on the same footprint. Saying that, we don't need, because of reduced ripening cycles, we don't need as many rooms. So we are a 24 pallet Softripe room is actually, over the year, is the equivalent of a 40 pallet random access room. So again, you don't need as many rooms to fit your business. So the system, what does it do? If someone says it talks to the fruit, we listen to the fruit, we talk to the fruit, they're going to think you're crazy. That's what I thought when I first looked at the system. But it does, it listens to the fruit. What does the fruit want to do? And if the fruit wants some ethylene, it will give it some ethylene. If the fruit wants some oxygen, it will give it oxygen. It ripens that fruit exactly how it is on the tree. It's listening to the fruit. It's talking with it. It's communicating it. And at no point during its cycle is it under any stress. That's the key thing, is stress. If you start stressing fruit, you're going to destroy the fruit. We don't stress the fruit. So I have mentioned the fact that we can use the same room for different fruits. Whilst this project is predominantly for avocados, I have seen the rooms in Europe that are being used for mangoes and bananas. The equipment behind it all is exactly the same. It's the same room, it's the same cooling system. The difference being, and the intelligence behind it, is within the menus of selecting what product you've got into the room. You log onto a PC, you select the picture of the fruit that you've got in the room, and from there the system will upload all of the parameters required for ripening that product. Along with that, different countries, different areas of the country, different regions within that country all have a set menu and a ripening cycle that will, because of water content, humidity, soil content, the system is intelligent enough that can cope with all of those different aspects of the fruit where it's grown. The other big advantage as well is we can load these rooms directly from a CA container. So we haven't got to let the fruit breathe to start with before loading it into the rooms. We can come straight off of the containers, straight into the rooms, which again will reduce your stock that you need on site. Reduces the risk of any incidences on site, your refrigeration system on site breaking, which is then going to put your fruit at risk. You can call those containers in as you need them. You can load the fruit straight into the rooms. The rooms will then decide that yes, we can do that, we can work with that. The other clever part of it with bananas, and it's been proven in Germany, is the system within 8 to 12 hours, the system will tell you if that product has been ship-riped. I'm looking forward to taking the Softripe system forward onto the next products and working, and not just avocados, but bananas, mangoes, stone fruit, and kiwi, and then looking at pears as well. So I'm really excited and looking forward to my next project and delivering that to the same standard and the same capabilities as what I have on this project.